What's up guys, Daniel De Oliveira from Southern Glazers Wine and Spirits, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a strawberry jungle bird. We're going to start with a ½ ounce of fresh lime juice, an ounce and a half of fresh pineapple juice, 3/4 ounce of the Liquid Alchemist strawberry, a ½ ounce of Campari, and lastly, an ounce and a half of the Tanduay Filipino rum. Add our ice and give this a good shake. Gonna serve this tall over this beautiful piece of ice and fine strain. Now when it comes to garnishing, traditionally I've seen people use pineapple, a lime wheel. I got these pineapple fronds from the pineapple that I juiced earlier, so I'm gonna just throw those in there. And then a little fun straw to go with it. And there is the strawberry jungle bird. Cheers. It's refreshing. The bitterness from the Campari and the strawberry go hand in hand in this drink, and the vanilla notes from the Filipino rum just kind of tie everything together. Strawberry jungle bird. Cheers.